For more information and current price, I have included all product links in description below. Next one in our list is Cuisinart CSB-75BC Smart Stick 200 Watt 2-speed hand blender. It features a 200 watt motor which powers the sharp, stainless steel blade that spins inside a metal safety housing. This stick blender offers 2 different speeds and it features an ergonomically designed grip for maximum comfort. Unlike a traditional blender, you do not have to transfer your ingredients to another container, just put the CSB-75BC in the container and blend away. The stick design of the Cuisinart CSB-75 Smart Stick Hand Blender allows it easily reach into pots, pans, bowls and pitchers, making it much more convenient to use. Even though this hand blender provides plenty of power, it is extremely quiet to operate on either speed. And not only does it come in a wide array of different colors and finishes, but it has an ergonomically designed grip for your comfort and a stainless steel blade. However, one of the downsides to this model is that it may not be able to tackle tough ingredients like ice and whole fruits and vegetables. We recommend it. I have included all product links in description. You can check out these links for more details and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.